This is an exemptions video for the G-Hub pickup of a 2012 Mazda 22812. Okay. Yep.
I took pictures.
Yep. I understand.
Okay.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
Rear bumper.
Okay, you're gonna have to go over here again. Where did you see stuff over here?
All those.
Yeah, I got those.
2,
Yep.
3, 4, 5,
Yep.
6, 7,
Got it.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Got it. Did you get that?
I got that as well.
Okay.
I got this as well.
All right, good. Okay.
Nice, nice.
Got it. What are you pointing out there? What are you pointing out there?
This one.
Okay, go ahead. Next.
Hold on. Let me see the rims. Okay.
You're saying there's a problem with the rims?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
No, not those. Not
No.
those. The other side.
Why would
the
you
bo-
say it on this side
No,
then?
no, no.
Hold on, well. You said rims on this side. This is the driver's side, so hold on. I understand, but you said rims when I was over here, so I'm just showing them.
Okay. The bottom spoiler, if you look underneath, the whole thing is fresh.
The bottom spoiler?
The bottom spoiler starting from this side right here.
Okay. Okay, well that's the bumper, not the spoiler, but you're saying also the spoiler?
The bottom spoiler, yes.
Oh, ready?
I didn't see the roof, so I don't know the roof. Here, the rim. Tire cut, rim scratched.
Okay, tire's not cut, it's cracked.
Well, whatever it is.
Right.
To me, it seems like it's cut.
All right.
This is cut.
Looks like they had a nice little curve there, didn't they?
Yeah.
Okay.
Passenger side rear rim scratched.
Okay. All right. Okay. That's it?